Always lockout tagout before working on your machine. Refer to the lockout tagout video, or your owner's manual, for detailed instructions. Locate the lock bore router on the inside of your machine's back section. Use the provided tools to loosen the collet. After the first break, use your hands to loosen it up, then use the tools to get through the second break. Once the collet is loose, reach in from the top of the guard to remove the bit. Be careful, the bit has many sharp edges. Now remove the collet, inspecting it for any damage. Use air to clean it out, then clean out the router housing as well. Place the collet and insert the new bit. Make sure to back the bit out about 1/8 of an inch, or you will be unable to tighten it as much as required. Now tighten everything up, and you're all done.